Randolph Parker. Welcome to my channel, Randolph Parker MS. Here we go again. I've been working on some things and just trying to bring some new stuff to the channel, some new content that I'm working on. I purchased this teardown table from Amazon. I love it. It allows me to free up my bench while tearing down, bigger components like this power supply, for example. Tearing this down, and I have a little test stuff here. I have a Variac up here. I have a little low power tester, power supply tester, where I can test the power supply here. Have a hand tack oscilloscope, digital multimeter, multi-purpose instrument where I can do some basic testing here. Also, I do have a smaller digital multimeter here as well, and I have another one here too as well with the current clamp. These things, they do the trick. You get them off of Amazon or AliExpress, they do the trick. I just have it here. Hello everyone, this is Randolph Parker MS. Welcome to my channel. I haven't been posting for a while due to a lot of business moves that I was making, and also going to school. I mentioned in my previous videos that I will be going to Liberty University to pursue a doctorate in business administration with the focus of information systems. But meanwhile, as I embark on that journey, I took time to start my LLC, RPS Systems LLC, and I'm working on some different things where I will be doing some repairs on computer power supplies, computer motherboards, difficult repairs that is deemed hard to repair, as well as units that are obsolete. So I'll be going through those things. Also, I will be doing some network router repairs as well, integration hardware. So the idea of my company is going to basically be surrounded by the concept of doing testing, software repairs, troubleshooting within the IT realm of things. Motherboards, I'm not asking for people bringing in computers. I'm going to do computers, but I will repair the motherboards. I will repair the power supplies. I will repair routers and hubs and things of that nature. I will also work on software applications. So that's what I've been doing. Right now, I'm working on I have 5 that's in-house right now that I currently. Yeah. So this particular power supply, I noticed that it had a lot of close solder joints, and it can power up. And I'm just cleaning up the flux now. As you see, I have my bottles labeled. This is a little bit of alcohol. And then what I'm going to do is use some Kim wipes. Dab a little alcohol to clean up